In this video of the Facebook ads course, today we will tell you, means we'll explain some basic terminologies related to Facebook ads, I mean meta ads. So friends, the basic terminologies mean that vocabulary, like lawyers, if they are in their profession, so they have some words that they use in their industry. Similarly, doctors in other industries like that, if you are an ad specialist, a marketing specialist, then you should know about some basic terms or terminologies related to meta ads. I hope this is clear. So I will explain them to you one by one. Let's understand the very first terminology we have. So first of all, impressions. Friends, what are impressions? When, right, I mean whenever you run ads, then there your ad is seen by different viewers and by different audience. Is that clear? So however many times your ad is seen, even in that those, and impressions are also included, where if one user has seen your ad multiple times, then that will also be included in it. So that is called impressions. Now just suppose that you ran an ad for 1,000 rupees a day, right? And in that, the impressions that came, that's 50,000 impressions. So it means by spending 1,000 rupees, your ad was seen 50,000 times. In that, there can be unique users, viewers, and there are many such viewers who have repeatedly seen your ad. I hope you have understood this well. So now impressions mean the ad being seen. Second is reach. So friends, as we say that we need to get the maximum reach. Okay, so basically reach means that just suppose all these are your target audience. Is that clear? Now try to understand, there are 100 people, you ran an ad. So friends, the purpose of reach is that, I mean that when every viewer or your target audience, when they sees your ad, right? So basically everyone should see your ad at least once. I hope this is clear, right? Okay, this is called reach. Okay, we are not talking about multiple times. The purpose of reach is if you are running an ad somewhere and your target audience, let's just suppose that in a particular area there are 20,000 people. So all 20,000 of those 20,000 people should see your ad at least once. That is what we call reach. Is that clear to all of you? Got it? Now third is click. Now here, a viewer. So let's see that how many times do they click on your ad. That we call click metrics. Here, click simply means that anyone who is seeing our ad, right? If they see it and leave, then it will be an impression. But, and let's say if they clicked on that ad, so basically that became an engagement. All right, so click is an engagement metric. Now friends, next we have is CTR. So basically CTR means click through rate. The formula for CTR is number of clicks divided by impressions into 100. All right, meaning now let's suppose we ran an ad and 10,000 people have seen it, right? Out of those, 1,000 people clicked it. We will divide this. After dividing it came out to be 0.1. Now we will multiply this by 100. So this will be 10%. This is the formula for calculating click-through rate. Now this shows how much interest people are taking, how much they are engaging with our ad. If your click-through rate is above 3, 4, 5% and goes up to 10%, then it is considered very good. Okay, so click-through rate basically, so tell me how many people have seen our ad. Out of them, how many click on it? It's calculated on that basis. Now friends, the next point that we have is CPC, cost per click. Okay, when we run ads and we are charged based on those clicks, meaning for as many clicks as we get, right? We have to pay money according to that. So that's called CPC. Or it means for how much we ran the ads and how many clicks we got. So what comes from that is CPC, cost per click. Its formula is simple. total spend. Suppose you 1000 are spending and the total clicks you have got here, it will be 5000 clicks. So when you'll divide this, okay, then what you will get? You will get the CPC, right? So after dividing this, we will get 0.20. That means I am getting a cost of 20 paise per click. So this is called as CPC. Now let's suppose that if by spending 1000 rupees I got 1000 clicks, then the cost of one click will be of 1 rupee, right friends? Now friends, next we have is CPM, cost per 1000 impressions, or you can also call it cost per mile. It's called cost per 1000 impressions because M means, now here it is 1000 in Roman. If we talk about the Roman language, okay? So in the Roman numbers, the letter M stands for 1000, alright? So cost per 1000 impressions, you've seen whether it's Google, Facebook or any other platform. They charge money for showing ads. Now they charge our money based on CPM. Even when like I am doing YouTube, the money YouTube gives me, that is given based on how many people saw the ad. So here it is cost per 1000 impressions, alright? So if you need to calculate your costing, meaning per like how much cost are you incurring per 1000 impressions to show the ad? So calculate like this, the CPM is equal to total spend. Suppose you spent 1000 rupees and you got 1,100,000 impressions. Okay, times 1000. So you total spend was 1000 divided by impressions. Okay, so we divide this, cancel it. Now this, first we divide, then we multiply by this. So after dividing, this came out. So this will be 0.01 times 1000. So what did we get? 10. So we are getting a cost of 10 rupees, alright? To show the ad to 1000 people, okay? Okay, so this is CPM, so our CPM came out to be 10 rupees. Okay, understood. Now friends, 7th, and it's very important, conversion. Friends, basically what is conversion? Conversion is and the desired result that we are getting from the ad that we are running, right friends? Our goal that is being achieved, that's conversion. It can be different things. For someone, impressions can be conversions. If someone wants to show their ad as much as possible, then the impressions are conversions. For someone, a lead form, if someone is filling out more lead forms, inquiries are coming, that's a conversion. For someone else, something is being downloaded, a brochure is downloaded, okay? So that is a conversion for them, right? For someone, video views, conversion. Okay, for someone, more and more sales are coming in, or maybe a product is being bought, okay? For them, that's a conversion. Similarly, there are different types of conversions can happen, and it depends on for which campaign you are running that ad, for what purpose and what you want from it, and what conversion. So whatever conversion goal you have set, that will be counted as a conversion. I hope it is clear. So friends, basically the conversion is our end goal, and when we run any campaign, we invest money in it. Okay friends, so the end goal we want from it is called conversion, alright? Friends, 8th is placement. Basically, what is placement? When we run ads on Facebook, then whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or maybe it is the audience network. If you are running ads on Facebook, there's also the Facebook feed, story, reels, and many such places where the content of the Facebook is visible. Alright friends? Similarly, Instagram also has its feed, story, same with reels, etc. Similarly, on Messenger, when you spend time, then you see ads there as well. And similarly, on the audience network, those websites and apps are included, which are connected with Facebook. Just like Google has its own network with which YouTube channels, different websites and apps are connected. So basically, they have their own audience network. So friends, basically, whenever you run an ad or maybe create any campaign, then there is a thing which is called placement targeting. Now placement can be manual placement or automatic placement. Further, we have talked about this and shown it practically too. Placement. Now let's just suppose that you have a product and that is made only for Instagram. Then you, in all these other areas or maybe on the placements, why would you show your ad there? You will only show it on Instagram, right? So if you have a product that you only want to show on Messenger and nowhere else, so in this way, or if you only want to show it in stories or you want to show your ad only in reels, do you want to show your ad only in feed? So friends, basically these things will decide, which I am telling you, all these things will decide where your ad will be shown, on which placement it will be shown, and you can manage this manually or you can leave it automatically on Facebook. All right, friends. So basically you must have understood this placement well. Means those are the different places where our ads can be shown easily. I hope this is clear. So we call that placement. Now friends, ninth point is very important. Audience. It's the audience to whom we will show the ad. And from there we will get results. Now, in Facebook ads, we can target the audience in many ways. Based on location, based on age, based on gender, and based on interest, based on behavior, based on demographics. And you will find many other options, custom audience, lookalike audience. You will get many options. Okay, so basically the audience is those, it simply means that, or what I mean is that the users or maybe the viewers, so from them, right? So we choose those who are best for our product or services, right? We choose them. So basically we can choose our targeted audience in many ways when we run the campaign. So we call this audience, we call it who are actually our future prospects or future customers. So this was basic terminology, and you should always know about what each term is called. So I hope this video was informative for you, and learn the entire course thoroughly, learn it end to end, because from basic to advanced level, AI will be taught to you in this Facebook ads course with AI. Thank you.